Hi friends, welcome back to BrushFalls Studios. This is our YouTube channel and I am Larry the painting guy and we'll be painting today. So for fun, I have found a funnel here that I'm going to pour the paint through on this nice 11 by 14 canvas. I have 7 colors mixed up here and let's see what kind of thing we can create today. For today's colors, we have black, copper metallic, raw umber, Prussian blue, burnt sienna, and medium azo yellow. So I'm not real happy with this, and I still have a little bit of paint left, so I'm going to fill the funnel back up with what I've got left and spread it around and see if we can make it a little better. Come with me. Okay, so the first version of this painting, I think, had too much of the copper metallic. It really took over the painting. And replacing it with the black on this one created a lot of really neat greens when mixed with the yellow. And overall, this is a much better, in my opinion. So, as always, leave me a comment and then like and subscribe. You really help our channel out by doing any or all of those three. Appreciate all the help that you can give, and I appreciate every one of you for coming and watching. Thanks again, and have a great day. Bye!